includes the main body, front wheel mechanism, parental handle, back seat, steering wheel, child guard, and side mirrors. Let us start by inserting the front wheel mechanism into the front of the main body of the Buzz Plus rider, as demonstrated. Insert the steering wheel through the top slot of the rider and secure it by screwing it in as shown. Take both the side mirrors and insert them into the slots on both sides of the main body and lock them in. Moving on to attaching the backrest, insert it in the slot as shown in this video and push to lock it into its place. The child guard is attached to the backrest and steering wheel, one arm at a time on both sides for your toddler's safety. The parental handle goes into the slot on the top of the backrest. Push in to secure it into its place. Open the cell cap on the steering wheel and insert 2 AA batteries into the slots present. Once done, screw the cell cap back on for light and sound. Now your rider is ready to go. Just pull out the footrest and ride away.